I'm about to introduce you to something super amazing that can completely change the way you think about creativity and making money online. Imagine being able to create jaw-dropping, copyright-free images like this, or even this, without ever picking up a paintbrush or even knowing how to draw. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore, because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use a free AI art generator to bring your wildest ideas to life. You will simply type in a few words, literally just describe what you want, and this AI does the rest. But that's not all. I'm also going to show you how to take those beautiful creations, turn them into real sellable products, and start earning serious cash online. And here is the kicker: you don't need any fancy equipment, design skills, or even upfront payments to create stunning products. Let's think about canvases, posters, t-shirts, mugs, you name it. And you can sell this for prices like $50 to $200 or even $500. Just imagine making thousands of dollars a month just by unleashing the creativity that was never really your idea. So what's stopping you right now? Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to turn your imagination into income. The tool we'll be using today is called Midjourney AI. I believe you have been hearing about it or you are familiar with it, and you can sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, Midjourney will prompt you to download Discord if you don't already have it. After setting it up, this is what your screen will look like. Next, navigate to one of the newbie rooms on the side of the screen. This is where you will generate your art. The room functions like a chat forum, so you can see what others are creating, but we are focused on our own work. At the bottom, you'll find a message bar. Here, type /imagine, press enter, and you will see a prompt box pop up. This is where you will describe what you want the AI to create. Now let me show you an example. I will type dog on moon 3D art, hit enter, and just like in under 10 seconds, the generator creates exactly what I described. Now, with many people using this tool, it is easy for images to get lost in the forum. To find your creations, use the sidebar at the top, type in your username, hit jump, and locate your work. Easy, right? Even though you can generate virtually anything, it is essential for you to focus on the art that actually sells to ensure your creations are marketable. I use a tool called Sales Samurai. By searching for art on Sales Samurai, I discover over 26,000 people look for art on Etsy each month. However, competition rate is high with around 50,000 listings. To stand out, target niches with less competition, maybe around a few thousand searches. For example, abstract art gets 3,371 monthly searches with low competition. Sales Samurai also suggests tags to optimize your listings, helping your artwork get discovered. Once you decide on exactly what to create, then you need to head back to Midjourney. In the message bar, type /imagine. Describe your idea like colorful neon 4K art, and let the AI work its magic. Within seconds, you will have a stunning art you can sell just like this. However, many people use similar prompts, so results may look alike. Now, for you to stand out, take your work further, select one image or scale it. What I mean is make it larger and save it. Then use the link to edit it further. So copy the link from the address bar, paste it into your prompt, then add in elements such as lion, crown, or cap. After enhancing your art, you will need to enlarge the image for better quality. Use AI Image Enlarger, a free tool that lets you increase the size by 4 times. While Midjourney free version is for personal use, you will need a $10 per month subscription for commercial purposes. A small investment for the potential earnings. Now, to sell your art, use Printful, a print-on-demand platform. With Printful, you don't have to be worried about printing or shipping. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon. I actually recommend Etsy because of its 80 million active buyers. Connect your Etsy store to Printful, upload your designs, and choose products like canvases, posters, mugs, or phone cases. Adjust the artwork for different sizes. Add keywords and tags from Sales Samurai and publish your listing. Once your listing is live, ensure you set Printful as your production partner. Adding a partner is straightforward. Just fill in the details, save, and you are good to go. From there, Printful handles your printing and shipping for you. It's just as simple as that. Midjourney creates the art, Printful handles the production, and you get to focus on building a passive income stream. Now let me know in the comment section if this process is as easy as described. And if you make sales, remember to come back to pay your tithes. Most importantly, I would like to hear your testimony. With AI dominating every industry, I think it's high time we all start having fun by embracing it and enjoying all the features. As a result of this, I've gathered 8 powerful AI tools that will upgrade your status quo this year. The video just appeared next to me right now. Ensure you check it out. Whatever whatever you do, never stop making money.